Alright, Grandmaster Mario here, doing Bird%-1 Web. Bird%-1 Web Possum Mode. Possum Mode-1 Web. Ah, fuck! Alright. Yeah, it's too long of a wait to get to the possum. Honestly, it's too long of a load. About a minute. About 1 minute. Okay, so go back and do level 16. That should be good. That should be good. Just as long Okay, 19. Yeah, just as long as we get up. Holy shit, what? We really started at 50 seconds in. We really started at 50 seconds in. What? That doesn't seem right. Well, whatever. That would be a huge world record then. If I really started at 50 seconds in, then that would be huge world record. Possibly even sub 4. Just revolutionized it. If that was a sub 4, then I really just revolutionized the bird percent forever. I don't think it was a sub 4 though. I don't think it was a sub 4. But I think it was a world record nonetheless. Alright. Grandmaster Mario, bird percent possum mode. Bird percent possum mode, -1 web. New world record. Yes! Alright, we're done.